Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys my Toy Story toys. So I don't have a lot, but I'm just going to show you guys the ones I got. So the first one is Woody. He's one of my favorites from Toy Story. I love Woody from Toy Story.
Everyone, this is Forky. Trash? No, you're not going to the trash. Yeah, okay, all right, okay, that is enough.
So this is actually not the original one from Toy Story 1. This is Woody from Toy Story 4, so he doesn't say something about boo.
No, you can't go.
So yes, so Woody. Up next it is Jessie.
Come on, we got critters to save. Let's go.
Jessie is one of my favorites. She's actually my third favorite. Woody will be my first favorite, and then right for Woody, it would go Trinity, the dog. So yes. And on the back it does have a pull string.
It's you, you're here. Woo-wee.
Also on Woody too. And the hat does come off. Same thing for Chesty, the hat does come off. But she has like the little thing because her hat doesn't stay like Woody. Up next we have Buzz Lightyear. Buzz Lightyear is my fourth favorite. He's okay. He's just not one of my favorites. There we go.
Scanning perimeter. Laser at full power. Approaching destination. Re-engaging gravity. Area secure. Buzz Lightyear at your service. Everyone take cover. To infinity and beyond.
So, and then actually does. So yeah, and then if you go back here, it actually does that. So, and then this button, so it opens up the wings. And then this is cool. If you open this, it actually says something. So yeah, on Woody and Buzz, it does say Bonnie. So yeah, I thought that was cool. I love Buzz, but he's not one of my favorites. Moving on to, oh no, Bullseye. So this is actually an old one. I just have it, but Bullseye is one of my favorites. Yeah, he's missing a red, but yeah, I love Bullseye. He's one of my favorites. He really doesn't do anything. He's still can walk. I actually put this with my Toy Story collection. And here is Shrinky, just right there. Hold on. But I love this. I think this is cool, and I love this so much. I love the ears. And I got this for Christmas trees. I still have them. We have Woody. Sorry, here is Woody. And then we have, well, this is actually my second favorite, Forky from Toy Story 4. I love Forky so much. And then we got Trinity. They don't say anything on the bottom, which I wish it can say something on the bottom of Woody, but in feet is too small. And then I got this, but I not on board because I wanted to, because it's Toy Story. I love anything with Toy Story. It's like the fan, so if you get hot, you can. I do not use this. This is my collection, but I think this is cool. And it actually does come with candy. I never knew that, but yeah. I still have the candy. says Dinzy. So yeah. Well, you probably can't see it, guys, but yeah. So yeah. I do have all 4 Toy Story. That will be in a different video, but yeah. Thanks for watching. There's my Toy Story toys collection. Have a good day tonight. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.